Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change password on your CoinMarketcap application using your mobile device. To change your password on your CoinMarketcap account, open up your CoinMarketcap application and log into your account first. Once you're inside the home screen, click on your profile icon at the top right-hand corner. Now from the expanded menu, click on Settings. Under the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Change Password. Now in the pop-up, click on Take Me There, and then you will be taken to this Reset Password page. Enter your email address in the text box, if prompted, and tap on Send Instructions. You will then receive an instruction sent to your email. Go ahead and open up your email app or log into your email via a web browser. You will receive an email from CoinMarketCap. Simply tap on it and then click on Click Here to Reset button. Now go ahead and tap on any one web browser to get to your coinmarketcap.com account. Here, you can go ahead and enter your new password you would like to change to. Repeat the password once again in the next box. Finally, tap on Save New Password and your password will be changed. Next time you log into your account, make sure to enter the newly updated password and you will then be able to get access to your account with the new password. So that's how you easily change your password on your CoinMarketCap application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.